I started thinking about partnering with a DSO when I realized that I was getting toward the end of my career and realizing what my options would be as far as selling outright to another dentist or doing something where I could step back from managing the business but still just do patient care. I was fortunate that I was in the dental brokerage business for 8 years, so I got to see firsthand what a lot of DSO organizations were about. So I was hesitant to know if I would actually ever do that. I said I would never do it. Started talking to Star. It almost seemed too good to be true at first. I took a lot of notes, talked to a few other doctors that had already joined, some who I know, who I thought were like me. And when they said, this is what our experience has been like, I thought, maybe this could work for me too, and it has. Basically, the outlook they had on what they would do for me, as far as an actual true partnership, they seemed actually very vested in me as a person, first and foremost, and then as a dentist. And they really respected and valued what I had built because they truly have kept their word as far as me having clinical autonomy. I was a little skeptical going in. Are they going to make major changes, change how I practice? And honestly, my whole team, since it's been just over a year, has said, it's the greatest thing. Nothing has changed in the practice. We still treat patients the way we want to treat patients, and that's just been absolutely wonderful. The community at Star, for me personally, has been actually beyond my expectations. Everyone that I've talked to, whenever I've needed something, help is available immediately, and they truly listen to my concerns and try to do everything they can to make things better. So me working toward retirement with Star, we kind of negotiated that I would work 2 to 3 days. I've recently just come back to 2 days so that I can pursue other interests, and they have been extremely supportive of letting me work as much as I'd like to, or as little as I'd like to, and for as long as I would like. Star has supported my practice. Before, I had never done any marketing, and now with 2 new young dentists, they're doing a lot more community outreach to help build their schedules and build their practice within the practice. Billing, it's been nice to take that off my admin team and do it behind the scenes. My experience with Star, I think, is truly special, and I don't think if I'd gone in a different direction that I'd be sitting here today, and that I would be really happy, and for sure I would not go back and take ownership of my practice again. So the advice I would give to anyone thinking about Star is it truly is not like the others. A lot of people put dental organizations, DSOs, into a box of they're going to change everything, they're going to ruin your practice, and it's terrifying to kind of go into that, but with Star, they truly are different.